Let me set the stage. You work in a large bank. You have hundreds of reg reporting teams, hundreds of business reporting teams. They live right here in your architecture. They have data quality issues. They work with their upstreams to solve those. There are often cross-domain data quality issues, and they deal with them individually within their teams. We're going to change that up. We're going to create a data validation service that lives here in this universal data access layer. The rules are still distributed because they own the rules. As they acquire data, the rules are run against that data concurrently and available to this data agent so that all stakeholders can have conversations and generally understand the state of data within this entire ecosystem. To implement that, you're going to use something like Hasura Plugin Hub. Hasura Plugin Hub, which you can see in this repo, has a Validate plugin, and that Validate plugin is specifically designed to work with Hasura PromptQL so that you can have a natural language conversation with validation results. I'm going to assume that all of that exists, and I want to jump ahead and pretend that you are a data quality analyst. You are trained in this system, and you are tasked with understanding the effectiveness of the rules that have been defined, and you're going to ask PromptQL to analyze that situation for you. Let's go to this prompt that you designed. Let's pop it in here and see what happens. Now, while this is processing, I want to point out the most interesting thing here is that all of this is in plain English. Not only can you understand it and revise it, but your colleagues can understand it. Your boss can understand it. Regulators can understand it. And data agents can understand it. So our data agents can take this, they can break it down into a technical plan and deliver the results for us without having to understand the details behind it. So in our case, we've now taken each of the field level rules within the overall rules that we found, and we did some basic analysis around them, and we decided what data quality dimension that they were associated with. We did some more detailed rule analysis. We looked at enforcement patterns, conditions, a deeper level of what quality dimensions were associated with it. We looked at rule dependency. Rule dependency is very important because cascading errors can inundate people with things that aren't really relevant to them, and you want to make sure that you understand them as well. Then we want to validate those rules and see if they're useful. Are there circular dependencies? There aren't in this case. Are there anything missing? In this case, there is. Something, timeliness, uniqueness in particular are missing from most of these rules. And then finally, we did a complete data quality analysis report. You can take this, put it into something like this, and there you have a complete report that you can share with your colleagues about the effectiveness of the data rules within this environment. I hope you found that interesting. It's just scratching the surface. There are so many things you could do with this. I just don't have the time to go over all of them with you. But good luck. Connect with me on LinkedIn if you have any additional questions.